Enough people did it. Too much people. I don't want to shop with too much people around me. So
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back, cause the whole world.
hey girlies, happy Monday. It's Monday, February 10th, and I'm on my way out the door. I have a teaching assignment today. I am teaching 6th graders. So the 6th grade teacher, she texted me last night. She's feeling really sick. So I know I'm teaching today for sure. Tomorrow we're not sure about yet. She'll let me know. But then Wednesday I'm teaching as well. And Thursday I'm teaching as well. So mostly all this week I'm teaching except Friday. And then Friday we're headed on a trip to New York. We're going to New York City to visit family and friends. Because if you guys don't know, I was raised in New York City. So we're going there Friday for the... We are going there Friday for a quick weekend trip. Today, let me show you the outfit of what I'm wearing so I can get out of here and get teaching with these kids. So I have on like these peach, I want to say peach, or is it salmon colored pants with this green top, and then this cardigan that has these greens and yellows and all these earth tone colors in it, warm colors. And I will be wearing the red Converse with this outfit today. Yeah, you like? Yeah, I like. Anyway, let me hurry up and get out of here, get the lesson plan together, and go teach. Talk to you guys later. Bye! Hey girlies, good morning. Happy Tuesday, February 11th. We're running out the door again because we're teaching again. Same class as yesterday. I keep wanting to say 5th graders. Same class as yesterday. My 6th graders they annoyed me a little bit, but still had a good time. Let me show you the outfit. Okay, this is the cardigan. It is, I'm not sure if you guys can see the true color, but it is a pale pink cardigan, and it has like these puffed hearts on it. You know, Valentine's Day. We gotta do the little theme when we're in school. And then I have on these light blue pants, dress pants, and I will be wearing it with these Vans. These are pink and blue and colorful floral Vans. This is the outfit. Let me get out of here because I have to go teach them. And then tomorrow I have kindergarten. And then Thursday I'm supposed to have 7th grade. But I hear through the grapevine that we're supposed to have a snowstorm Wednesday night to Thursday. So schools might close. I don't know, but I'm kind of hoping for it. Anyway, let me go. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey girlies. Wednesday, February 12th. How y'all doing? Just got home. It is about 1 in the afternoon. I did teach today. I taught kindergarten. It was half day. So the teacher only needed the morning off. So I taught the morning. And then she came in the afternoon. So only a half day today. And I had a good time with the little kids. Didn't get to show you guys my outfit or anything because I was running out the door this morning. But if you want to see it, just this sweater that says "Be kind" in colorful pastel colors. And of course dark colors. These dark colored leggings. And I had on these boots with it. It was a cute little outfit. These boots were from Amazon. Cute little outfit. Good morning, y'all. Thursday, February 13th. And as predicted, as you guys saw, we got snow. So schools are closed. I get to be home today. And I have a lot on the agenda to do for today and for tomorrow because we leave for New York City tomorrow afternoon to visit family and friends and all that. First of all, let's talk about this. Why are schools closed? I'm only saying that because in New York, growing up in New York, it could be a blizzard. And if you're from New York, you know this. It could be a blizzard. Snow up to your waist. Nothing shuts down. It is rare that things close in Ohio. It is rare. It is rare that things shut down in New York, especially for snow. It is rare. I've been to school in blizzards. I've been to work in blizzards. So for Ohio to shut down for what? 1-2 inches of snow? Maybe 2? Ohio is a whole different breed. I love it though. I love the way that they prioritize self, people, health, safety, all that. I do love it. But at the same time, yo, like, this is like play for us in New York. But anyway, I still have a lot to say. I have a lot to get done today. First, we got to shovel the snow. I'm going to have to use, it's enough snow where I have to use snow blower. I have an electric snow blower that I have to get my driveway and the walkway done. Clean off the car. And then go to the other house, the Airbnb. As you guys know, I have rental properties. This one that I'm going to is an Airbnb. So I maintain the exterior of the home, not the interior. The guests that stay there are long-term guests, usually medical professionals that work on a contract for the hospital. There's a hospital right close to that Airbnb. They stay there for 30, 60 days, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. This particular person is going to be there for about 10 months. She works in a factory, not the hospital, but a factory that we have close by as well. Anyway, I maintain the exterior of that property, so I do have to go and shovel the snow there. But it's not as much to shovel as this house. This house has more snow to shovel than the Airbnb property. I got to do that. Then I have to come back. Then after I come back, I have to... These are the things that I need to get done. I don't know in which order I'm going to do them, but they have to get done. I got to cook. I got to semi-start getting my things together for New York. I have to do my nails because it is my niece's sweet 16 in New York, so I do want to get my nails done. I wear press-on nails. I do them myself. I'll show you guys that. I have to take my hair out. I washed my locks on Sunday. Today is Thursday, but I want to take my locks out. And by the way, we're driving to New York. Don't know if I mentioned that, but we're driving. What else I have to do? I have to cook, nails, hair, edit the video. Because since I won't have my computer with me, I want to edit the next video that should be coming out on Sunday, today, and definitely have it up on YouTube by tomorrow so that I can schedule it to be available for you guys to watch on Sunday. I'm trying to be consistent, you guys. It is hard, but I'm trying. And so far I'm doing good. But I'm trying. What else? I have a lot more other things to do. I just can't think of it yet. But y'all will see as I'm doing them. Also, you guys, I got dressed today. And if you guys don't remember, if you haven't seen my vlogs, my previous 2 vlogs for this year, I am working on making sure that I put myself together even if I am in the house. No more bummy dressing in the house. Let me show you what I got on. It's not a fancy outfit, but I feel cute. Let me show you. So we have this top. It has stars. It has brown and like army green colored stars. Just like that. Leggings, of course, high-waist leggings that hold the gut in. I got these from Amazon. I got a 3-pack. I got it in this color, a burgundy color, and I think black. I will link them below for you guys if you're interested. Here's the side pockets. And that's it. I feel cute. I need your help with something, y'all. Ignore the plastic. But tell me what you think about this artwork. Like I said, ignore the plastic on it. I don't want to take the plastic off yet because I'm not sure if I want to keep it. I got it from Amazon. It's just basically feathers. Because on this side of the living room, and I have that large wall there that I've been meaning to put something on, but I can't find the right piece yet. I just can't. And I saw this. It was originally I believe $200, and it was on sale. I got it for $100, and I love it. But for some reason, it's just not giving me the wow factor that I wanted. Granted, it's not on the wall yet. Of course, I'm gonna, put it on the wall if I decide to keep it. But I don't know if it's that. I don't know. So I just put it behind the couch. It's just resting on the ledge of the couch right there. And I'm going to look at it for the next few days to decide, are we keeping it or not? What do you guys think? What do you think? I am falling out of love with these ones. I don't know. I used to love them, but not anymore. I want to redesign this entire wall. We're still keeping it black. Definitely want to still keep this wall black. I am not in love with these anymore like I used to. These are also on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll link them below for you if you like these, if you're in love with them. I think they're beautiful. It's just, I feel like they're too modern for the home. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. It feels like more of a modern home kind of vibe. And the home, for me, I'm trying to create a cozy, not old school, but a cozy, homey aesthetic. I don't want it to look too modern. But also, now that I'm looking at it on the camera, I kind of like it. I kind of like it again. Y'all help me, pray for me, because I'm falling in and out of love with, pray for me, y'all. Let me know what you think about all this art conversation. Oh, there we go.
Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we could fly with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride.
And just like that, we are back home inside where it's warm. Got both houses shoveled, so I'm happy about that. Now I'm about to go to the kitchen and season up chicken for dinner. I'm gonna make jerk chicken. So I'm going to season that now, and then let it sit, let the seasoning soak in night, soak in night. And as the season soak and absorb into the meat, later I'm going to cook it. In the meantime, I'm going to eat my lunch, get some other work done, and then I'm going to cook afterwards. Got my gloves on because I'm ready to season that chicken. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Take a walk with me.
Yeah, we're about that. Yes. Yeah, this is one. Doing a tour today. And Turkish delight. The pictures were pretty good. We did pottery. But anyways, now focusing hello. A little bit, but I'll probably talk to y'all when I get back to. Okay, what's up? Hello. Sit your pretty. As soon as you came through hey y'all, so I'm gonna roll them out so that I can tell you I have seen the 4 information is in the description box and she made. But I was like, oh, maybe Japan could be a good time for a little break. I I miss being familiar with things. And when you're traveling, it's constant. You are in a constant state of not being familiar.
Hey y'all, hey. The chicken is baking. So while that is going, I decided let me get some more editing done for this vlog that I'm trying to get out on Sunday while I'm in New York, because I'm trying to stay consistent. I am trying, y'all. I don't want to fall off YouTube again. I've fallen off YouTube so many times. 3, 4, 5. I'll be consistent for a while, then I'll fall off. Because honestly, life gets in the way. Life gets in the way. Life, I haven't had the easiest life. But I get back up every time. These are blue light blocking glasses from Zillow. Had them for a few years now. They have absolutely no prescription need, just to help me when I'm on the computer for a while. So I want to get as much editing as I can done. And then what else do I have to do? Still have to do my nails. Still have to do that. Still have to start packing. Granted, tomorrow I will have time to pack because we are leaving at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I thought it was earlier, but I spoke to my sister today, and my nephew, which is her son, has to go to work in the morning, so he won't be home until like around the afternoon. So we will be leaving Ohio around 4 in the afternoon, and it's about an 8 to 9 hour drive. So we should be in New York 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, like 1 o'clock at night, or 1 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning, whatever. I think I might take y'all along with us. Do you want to come to New York? Y'all want to come to New York? Pack your bags then. I was going to say you guys have a day to pack your bags because we're leaving tomorrow, but by the time you watch this, it'll only be a few minutes to pack your bags. So pack your bags, grab whatever you can, and we're going to be headed to New York soon. Let me try to edit this video as quickly as I can, because I am trying to be consistent.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times.
Y'all, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this. 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 Wait, hold up. Hold up. Do you see the snow? Hopefully you guys can see. It is snowing again outside. Did we not get up early, put on all of our snow gear, shovel snow, salt the place, use the snow blower? For why? Why? What is this? This snow better not stick. It better not stick, because I'm not shoveling again. Oh, Ohio, you playing yourself. You are playing yourself. Wow.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away. Wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind and then she could relax.
Good morning, you guys. How y'all doing? It is Friday and we'll leave for New York in a few hours. Right now it's 8:33 in the morning and we'll leave for New York at around 4 this afternoon. With that said, I have to pack. Whenever I'm traveling, I'm a last minute packer. I don't like to pack early. I like to pack like right before we leave or a few hours before we leave. And also because I'm going to New York, that's where my family is. My parents are still there. My siblings are still there. So it's not like I have to worry about leaving anything really. As long as I have the main important things, everything else I could just get because it's my parents' house, you know, so I'm not too worried about that. However, I do have to make sure I have the things for my niece's sweet 16 party because that's why we're really going. My niece Alana is turning 16. She's having a big party. And I need to make sure I get the things that, well, the most important thing is the dress and my makeup. Everything else I can get. Even the makeup I can get if I go to the store there, which you don't want to because it's a really quick trip. But I say all that to say, girl, you talk a lot. I have to pack. I still have to take my hair down, take these twists out so my hair can be curly. And I also have to do my nails, which I'm going to do myself. I do press-on nails. And that's it. Here's the thing now. I did not buy a new dress for this party. However, I had a dress that I had in mind that I wanted to wear. I have the dress, but my thing is, I haven't worn this dress in years. I think 2-3 years. Can it fit me? So we're gonna try the dress on real quick. Hopefully it can fit, because if not, we're gonna have to figure out something by today, because I do not want to go shopping in New York. But basically, by the time we get there, we're leaving tonight, which is Friday night. We're gonna get there like 3-4 in the morning, Saturday morning. We're going to probably rest a little bit. Saturday daytime, I don't know, spend time with family, get ready, and the party is Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. And also, New York is busy, crazy. I do not want to go to the mall or the stores in New York. There's a reason why I left New York to come to Ohio. It is busy. Enough people did it. Too much people. I don't want to shop with too much people around me. So, let's hope and pray this dress fits. Pray for me, y'all. Let me show you all the dress. It's a floral dress. The light is really light in here. I'll try it on for you guys to see better, and then we'll talk. Okay, it's fitting. It's fitting. Okay. Woo. All right. I am going to be wearing some shapewear with the dress, but it has a lot of ruching, is that what you call it? Right here, so it kind of hides the folds. This is how the back is looking. It has a slit and it goes to the ankles. Can you all see that? Down to the ankles. All right, I'm happy. Yes, 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 it fits. Okay, now with shoes. Which shoes do you guys think? Hold on, let me dust them off because they've been in the closet for a while, haven't gotten worn. Should we go with this peach colored shoe, which is like almost the color of the dress? It'll be very, very matchy. Or should we go with the rose gold, which is not the exact color, but it goes beautifully with this dress because it is rose gold? I don't know. I don't know. Haven't worn this one in a while. It's kind of tight. Oh, this one is kind of tight. I feel like I would have to wear this around the house all day until we leave. I do have to shave my legs and everything, but that's this one. Okay, now let me try on the rose gold for you. And this is the rose gold. These are way more comfortable. Way more comfortable. So for the fact of comfort, I might wear these ones. But let me know what you guys think. By the time you watch this vlog, I would have already chosen a shoe. So let's see if you guessed the right one. But these are much comfortable. I feel like we're going to be dancing and stuff and whining down and backing it up and, you know, all that stuff because we're Jamaican. Well, she's Guyanese. My brother, who's Jamaican, my brother, married a Guyanese. So his mom is Guyanese. I mean, sorry. Alana's mom is Guyanese. So it's going to be like a Guyanese Jamaican party mix-up and blend mash-up. So there will be dancing, I'm sure. And obviously, I will not be wearing this bra. I'll be wearing a strapless bra and all that. I'm just trying it on to show you guys that it fits. It fits. Body is bodying. Okay, I'm so happy that dress fits. I'm so happy, y'all don't know. Next is, I have to be intentional and strategic with what I pack. Y'all don't know this, but I'm an overpacker. I am an overpacker. I like to pack just in case. Just extra stuff just in case. But on this trip, I'm trying to teach myself to pack normal. Like for what I need, with just maybe a little bit of one more extra thing for buffer room. I'm the type of packer where if I'm going somewhere for the weekend, like 2, maybe 3 days, I'm packing 10 pairs of underwear. I'm packing 6 outfits. Alright, with that said, usually I would use my carry-on luggage. Even if we're going on road trips for like a day or 2, I'm bringing my carry-on suitcase. That is usually me. But this trip, I'm trying to see if I can just bring an overnight bag. Oh, the sun is really sun. Hold on, let me turn you guys, because the sun is stunning. Let me not complain. I'm not going to complain about the sun because I love the sun. Let's just go to a different room real quick so I can show you these things and then come back in here and pack. This is the bag, my overnight bag that I'm trying to only take. It's big enough. It has lots of compartments inside. I just got this from Amazon. And obviously it's pink because pink is my favorite color. I feel like it's very spacious inside. It has different pockets, different dividers inside, more zipper pockets, has a strap if you need it. I feel like I can make it work with this bag. It has this thing where you can attach it. What is the thing? Hold on. Oh, it's more pockets. This is the brand from Amazon, by the way. It also has more pockets back here, and it has the open area where you can attach it to your luggage if you want to. But I'm not, because I'm not bringing luggage. I'm just bringing this. So, if you're interested, I will link this below for you guys. And also, if ever you watch my video and there's a product that I talk about, 99.999% of the time, It's linked below if you're interested. No pressure. I'm just saying, just in case. It's in the description bar.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be.
It fits. Everything fits. This is, I think, the large size bag. They did have it in extra large. Maybe I should have gotten the extra large, but I'm still happy. Everything fits.
I love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. Just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside.
The hair is done. The curls are curling. The curls are popping. We are loving it. Yeah. Yes, we are. So that's done. I don't want the curls to fall too much. I need it to be really tight for the party. But I'm also thinking I might do a bun for the party, because I love when I put my hair in a bun, like a nice tight bun. Or I might leave it out. Don't know yet. But while I am home now, I am just going to throw my hair up in like a quick, messy ponytail. This will kind of help with holding the curls. I just go like that. That. And then just put ponytail holder. And that's about it. That's going to be it for the rest of the day, so that they're not hanging and drooping. And that's how we're wearing it. And then when I'm traveling tonight, I will have my bonnet on while we're in the car, because it's mostly night travel. And we will be sleeping. If I'm not driving, I'm sleeping. Coming back is day travel though. We're traveling in the day to come back on Monday. And I realized I have these little lint. I will spend hours trying to pick lint out my hair. But I'm going to have to save that for another day, because now we're going to work on the nails. Get the nails cute. Doing my nails takes a little bit longer than doing my hair. I take my time because I want, whenever I wear press-on nails, I've perfected it in a way where it does last. Like, I hardly ever get a nail falling off. And that's because I take my time to make sure I apply it correctly, use the right products, so that it lasts for at least 2 weeks. And then I take it off myself. With that said, It takes me a little bit longer, and I like to get comfortable and more than likely watch a movie. So this is my little makeshift. At a word there, not the word. That word there. Makeshift. At a word that we're looking for. That word. This is my little makeshift setup in my living room. Got the TV right in front. My bags are packed. This little cheap, I think it was like $10 table from Walmart. It comes in handy so much in the house. If you don't get one of these tables, not only this one, but any other little fold-up table, you can get it from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon. Get you one of these in your house. They fold up, go in a corner. But if you need to do something like your nail, your hair, planting, any little thing you want to do, and you want a quick pop-up table, this. So I have my table. I have a collection of press-on nails, and these are the 3 options I might go with. We have these, which are like a pinkish color, but it has hearts. Can you see? It has like these pastel art hearts. Now I know it might look kind of childish, but I like these ones because it is Valentine's Day today, and it will be cute. I like cute nails, and they're not too long, which I also love. I don't like to have my nails too long because then I can't function like how I really want to function. I'm a very active girl. I cook, I clean, I do home renovations. I'm always with a drill, a hammer, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, all the things. Gardening, sawing, drilling, all the things. So I don't like my nails to be too long. I also have this set here. I've worn this set before, and these, I like these because they're really strong and you can wear them multiple times and you get a lot out of them. But this is more of a silver. As you guys can see, more silver. And I'm wearing mostly golds and rose golds and pinkets and stuff. So I don't know if I will like this one with the outfits. But it's a possibility. And we always have the usual. I always pick up a French set whenever I see them on sale. But I feel like, yeah, this can go with everything and anything. But it's just so basic. And I'm not really a basic kind of person, to be honest. But I'm also like, I'm going to a sweet 16 party, so I can't be too crazy. But why not? You only live once. So this is the safe option. But do I really want to be safe, to be honest? I really want this set. I think I'm going to go with this set. Most of my nails, I get them from Marshall's. This was $7.99 from Marshall's. I think this was $10 from Marshall's. And this is from Marshall's also. This was $4. And these are the nail preps. Some of the things I do to prep my nail. I use a dehydrator. This is a 2-pack from Svetland. And this is a pH bond. These 2 things together help keep the nail on longer, along with filing and making sure my nails are dry when I'm doing it. And this is the glue that I use from Amazon. It's called KDS Clear Glue. So these sometimes already come with their own glue, but I don't use it. I like to use my own glue because this one I find gives me a better hold. And these things I get on Amazon. I can link them if you want. You don't have to get them. I'm just telling you, this is what I use.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wet out on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us, you do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, hold still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like my rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season, like who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it.
These are beautiful.
On my time.
If this thing would focus. I feel like they are not too plain. They add a little bit of spunk pizzazz, but at the same time they're kind of neutral because their colors are so muted in a way, but it has the hearts. And they're not too long. They're short so I can get on with my everyday life, everyday living, cooking, cleaning, and all that. There we go. Love, 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 love.
did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.